Alright guys, so if you're having issue with your Oraimo watch not connecting to your smartphone and all you can see is binding failed like this, so I'm going to try it again now to show you that truly I'm having this issue here. So as you can see, the smartwatch is on and it's still showing binding failed. And when I shut down, I turn on my Bluetooth, my data and location on. So what you have to do is to reset your smartwatch. Whatever smartwatch you are using, just go to the settings or you hold the power button like this. Just hold it down and select the option reset. Select allow to erase the whole data and settings. And this is going to reset your Oraimo watch. Now, once the watch boots up, select English and use the QR code method. So select cancel. Now let's use the QR code. You can also select the back option here and select bind via QR code. Okay, and scan it, and this should fix it. So let's wait for it to connect. As you can see, it has just paired successfully on the smart watch. So once you reset it, it's going to connect to your smart watch and your smartphone. Select pair to complete the whole process so that I can use it to make calls, and it's as easy as that. So if you have any issue after you have done all this step and it's still not connecting, just drop a comment in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and that will be all for this video. Bye for now. Peace.